Hey Night City fans! Cyberpunk 2077 Update 2.3 just dropped with AutoDrive, new vehicles, and epic tech upgrades. Ready to cruise through the city? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest gaming news. Let's dive into this neon-charged update. Projekt Red unleashed Cyberpunk 2077 Update 2.3, bringing autonomous driving, 4 new vehicles, and next-level features to PC, PS5, and Xbox Series X and S. It's time to rev up your Night City experience. Want the details? Keep watching. Update 2.3 introduces AutoDrive, letting V cruise to destinations hands-free with a cinematic camera for stunning city views, disabled during combat or heavy vehicle damage. Plus, 4 new rides hit the streets: Yaiba ARV Q340, Semi-Maru Rayfield Caliburn Mordred, and Yaiba ASM R250 Muramasa, earned through side quests, and the Chevelon the Goddess 450 Aquila, available via Autofixer. Photo mode gets a boost with 27 new NPCs to spawn, like Rita Wheeler and the Castle Twins. You can now swap these saved outfits easily and tweak the look-at camera for more customization. PC players get AMD FSR 3.1 frame generation, Intel XeSS 2.0, and HDR10+ support, while PS5 and Xbox Series XS players enjoy variable refresh rate for smoother gameplay on compatible TVs. Update 2.3 makes Cyberpunk 2077 more immersive than ever, with AutoDrive and cinematic views enhancing exploration, new vehicles adding flair, and tech upgrades pushing performance. After Phantom Liberty's success, Projekt Red keeps Night City fresh. Is this the ultimate way to experience Cyberpunk? Time to jump back in! Cyberpunk 2077 Update 2.3 is live across PC, PS5, and Xbox. Download it and cruise Night City with AutoDrive. What's your favorite new vehicle or feature? Drop it below. That's the scoop on Cyberpunk 2077 Update 2.3. Are you hyped for AutoDrive or those new rides? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more gaming updates.